Okay, everybody, welcome back. We've now spent almost 2 hours laying the stones. Just so you have a look and see, again, it's up to everybody. It's their preference. We've chosen it like this. We spent a fair amount of time deciding how to lay the stones. It's not easier. You think you're doing right and you look at it and then you go, no, it's not right. You'll also see Devet's. We're getting ready to pour, so Devet's put silicone on each side so that the epoxy that goes over doesn't spill over too much. Here we go to the end. Oh my goodness, this is Kai. He wants a bit of foliage and a bit of PTR greenery in there. He can't have any PTR greenery in there. So we're thinking the table's looking stunning. Devet has already done the mix with the Arantec pour, which is again 100 to 42. We've added a tiny little bit of, if Devet gets the torch, you'll see we've added a tiny bit of the silver pigment, just to make it, you can't really even see, but it gives it a tiny shine.
On the side,
Maybe if I show you on the side. There you go. It's almost like little bubbles, which we want as a water effect. So Devet's going to pour the epoxy now. He's going to pour it on this side, down this little river, so that we don't displace too many stones. It is a lot of epoxy to pour, so let's go.
Now Betty.
Come. Just go and help him. Okay, don't worry, Betty's gone over a little bit, but that's fine. It's why we've got the silicone there. Okay, so you can see the silicone's being poured and it's starting to move. We will get some bubbles. We're expecting bubbles, and that's fine. We know the table's straight and level because we've done the first pour. Here you can see the clear running down, and if you look carefully, you can see little bits of silver coming through, which is what we're wanting and very exciting. So this is our first pour. Obviously we're going to do 2 pours, maybe even 3, because we need this epoxy level with the table. So Devet's doing a pour over the stone, so the ripples aren't affecting the stones, and they're just settling as is. So we're doing very well here. I think Devet, we can move down now because it is running down. There you go. You can see the epoxy is running like a river, which is also awesome because it's going to give that river effect the way the stream of the water's going. It's all running in. So it's fine. Okay, so we're going to do the next mix, which we can demonstrate to you. No problem. I'm just straightening and smoothing the epoxy off. But, yep, there we go. The first pour's done. So I think it's better if we just mix and pour, and then we'll show you the end. Because it's quite heavy and we need to move on. Yeah? Okay, we just take a while to pour. When we mix the Arantec sitting in the sun just to warm up a little bit. And then you mix well, and then leave it for 10 minutes so the bubbles can come to the top. And then that way you get rid of most of your bubbles. And when your bubbles start forming on your table, then we just give them a little bit of a blowtorch. But let your table settle first before you start attacking it. And always, always keep away from the table when you pop your bubbles. All right, don't go too close, you're going to burn it. Okay, we'll catch up with you just now. Thanks.